All right. Happy Sunday to my Solana family. First and foremost, before I even start this up, I just want to say thank you. I know at this point I'm sounding like a broken record, but just want to say that I appreciate each and every one of you guys for absolutely killing it with the support day in, day out. And I know who you are. I see all the comments. Love you all. Continue supporting, and I will continue to bring out these daily updates for you guys. So, it's Sunday. All right. Sunday, I hope you guys are all ready to go to have a very, very successful week ahead of you. And as far as Solana is concerned, this week is, if not the biggest, week for Solana, in my opinion, for even the entire year, because we are about to see the biggest amount of liquidity injection into the Solana ecosystem. But of course, that is due to Jupiter coin that is officially launching. But as we're looking at majority of the markets today, as of Sunday, we're seeing quite a bit of red across the board, but minor red. And as you know, I've been pretty much mentioning this over the past 24 hours and the day before. We're on a weekend, and on the weekends we do tend to see more manipulation across the board. But if we're looking at Solana to be specific, it's one of the very few coins in the market that is up right now, up 2%, and that is beautiful to see. So a huge thumbs up for that. But let's take a step further and see what is happening with Sol right now. So looking at the price of Solana right now, currently sitting at $95. It's also up 2.6% over the past 24 hours in BTC comparative. Market cap, on the other hand, is currently sitting above $41 billion, to be exact, 41.15 billion. And look at the 24-hour trading volume. It's up 2.5 billion. So compared to yesterday, we could pretty much say it has almost doubled, and that is really, really nice to see. But let's take it a step further and see what is happening with the price of Solana, and of course what is yet to come. But before I do that, you guys know by now, just a quick disclaimer: anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in crypto. So you can see this for yourself. Jupiter airdrop by Jupiter set to launch in literally 2 days. Solana prepares for a major liquidity injection, and this is something we've been talking about before this article even came out, and it's true. Jupiter exchange airdrop is by far the biggest airdrop in Solana's history, and I think this is going to bring in a lot of eyes, which is already doing a lot of eyes on the Jupiter airdrop. Of course, some people are going to come out and say, oh, CryptoZX Jupiter airdrop is not even going to do that well. Of course, there's going to be some paper hands that are come and initially, just sell right out the book. And, at the end of the day, everyone does what they want. But I'm projecting that Jupiter airdrop is going to shock a lot of people this time around. And yes, I do see it taking over Uniswap. Speaking about taking over Uniswap, it's already doing more volume 2 days in a row more than Uniswap. Uniswap, I think, is a moment in the past, but I think Jupiter, Solana is this year's, and moving in the future, people are starting to realize how much of an issue it really is to use Ethereum. I've lost, literally myself, I've lost, like, you could say, thousands of dollars just in trading fees, just doing Uniswap, using Uniswap, and I'm sure as have a lot of people. But I've been using Solana pretty much over the last 2 years, and this is why I was eligible for the Solana Jupiter airdrop, because I've been using this while not many people were using it still on Uniswap, and this is where I realized, hold on, this is just a game changer, and now more and more people are starting to realize that. So 2 days left, cannot wait, just cannot literally wait for that launch. Losing sleep at this point, but this is very, very exciting to say the least. But let's take a look at the price of Sol right now. So if we're looking at BTC, of course, as mentioned earlier in the update, we're seeing BTC seeing a little bit of a minor pullback. We did see Bitcoin go all the way up to 42,800 today, but saw a little bit of a minor pullback, which is totally fine. We're being supported. Remember this resistance that I was speaking about in the earlier updates? So that exact same resistance, we were able to break out of it. Like I said, we made it to almost up to $43,000, but seeing a little bit of a minor pullback. And speaking about this pullback, the same resistance that we were facing as we were going towards the upside, that same resistance right now is playing as a level of support. You can see this for yourself. So really nice to see. Hopefully we do hang around this support line, and Monday morning, if that's the case, if we're able to close, now hear me out, if we're able to close the daily candle above this support line, I'm projecting that we are going to see BTC. I'm very confident we will see BTC retesting the 38.2 Fibonacci retracement level this coming week ahead of us. But as far as Solana is concerned, guys, Sol is killing it. If I were to zoom into the charts, of course, you're going to come out and say, oh, wait, Solana is not back into the 61.8. We did see Solana hit $99.11, did not manage to reclaim at that psychological price point of that $100, but you could pretty much see the way it's holding really, really strong. Surprisingly, some people don't like seeing this. I know there's a lot of haters. You guys would be surprised at the amount of haters there are for Sol, and these exact specific people I'm referring to are not happy when they see the way Solana is holding right now. They want to see Solana retesting $20. Can you believe it? There's still so many people out there that want Solana to be retesting $20 and even $3. Like, these people are absolutely clueless in my opinion, and it's really starting to frustrate me at this point for the people that come and ask, when $10, when are we going to get the chance to see the price at $10? Are we going to see the price at $20 again? It's so crazy because we had literally the longest time to be picking up Solana at those prices. Literally, look at it for yourself. Look at it for yourself. We had the longest time. And then now these comments are flowing, and I think that ship has sailed. And what my projection is, due to this Jupiter airdrop, of course, that's going to bring a lot of liquidity into Sol. I think Solana has the capability of retesting the $108 resistance, when that happens. And if we want to put that resistance into perspective, that's a move of, from the current price levels right now, that's a move of about 15%. And I see that happening, after the Jupiter coin is launched. I'm very, very confident about that. And potentially, we could even be seeing a yearly high sooner than a lot of people think, because remember, I've said this even in my yesterday's update, this resistance is where I have my eyes at right now. My eyes are glued at this resistance, because if this resistance is able to turn into support for us, I am expecting that we could see Solana heading back up to the crucial level of resistance at $129.44 and retest it for the first time since April of 2022. That's almost 2 years ago, levels that we have not seen. So that is going to be historic, of course, but we're going to be taking it one step at a time. Let me know down below what you guys think and what's your overall plan for the Jupiter airdrop. Are you guys going to hold your Jupiter airdrop? Are you guys going to allocate it back into Solana? What exactly is your strategy, and what do you see happening with overall Solana's price as well? I want to really hear from you guys in the comments down below. And again, continuous appreciation towards my viewers. I love each and every one of you guys for actually killing it with the support. I kid you not. Love you all. And I will see you tomorrow. It's been Crypto ZX, and peace out.